What exactly are Series I bonds and what do you need to know about them? Series I bonds are U.S. Treasury saving bonds that are designed to protect your money against inflation. They are non-marketable, meaning that you can't buy or sell I bonds in secondary markets. You have to buy them directly from the U.S. Treasury through a website that is named treasurydirect.gov. I'll upload a video going over the process of buying I bonds next. I bonds accrue interest in two different ways. There is a fixed rate and a variable rate. The variable rate is adjusted semi-annually in the months of May and November. The adjustment is based on the readings from the Consumer Price Index, also known as CPI. CPI is an official inflation measurement used by the Federal Reserve. So as inflation increases, so will the variable rate on the I bond. That is how it protects your money against inflation. The current composite rate for I bonds is 9.62%. When purchasing I bonds, you lock in the fixed rate for life, and you lock in the variable rate, which is based off of CPI, for 6 months. After 6 months, your variable rate is going to be adjusted based on the new CPI readings. With that being said, investors have to the end of October to lock in the composite rate of 9.62% for the next 6 months. When buying I bonds, the minimum purchase size is $25 per individual and the maximum is $10,000. This is on a yearly basis and it's per individual regardless of filing status. If you're married, you can buy $10,000 and your wife or husband can buy $10,000 as well. I bonds are locked for 12 months, so you have to hold them for 12 months at a minimum. They can be held for up to 30 years, and if they are sold before 5 years, the holder will lose 3 months of interest. The income from the interest that you get from I bonds is taxable at a federal level, but not at a state and local level. I bonds are zero coupon bonds. Therefore, no interest is paid in the life of the bond. The interest is instead added back to the value of the bond so that you can accrue interest off of the interest that you accrued. Now, taxes on your gains are usually paid at the end of the bond, but investors can opt for an accrual method where they will pay taxes on a yearly basis off of their gains. The main things to consider before buying I bonds is, do you need that money in the next 12 months? And what are the opportunity costs for locking in your money with an I bond? At the current rate of 9.62%, I bonds are extremely attractive in my personal opinion, and that's why I maxed out my individual limit of $10,000. That concludes this video. Follow this channel for more investing content, and I'll see you on the next one.